Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel, FinMatrix Paradigm. Today, I'm going to discuss about the finance mechanism, what is known as internal rate of return. What is very much important in finance function, financial or decision making. Normally, what happens in capital budgeting, we need to invest our money for a long period of time. Now, the money what is worth today may not be as same as it is after the project is completed. So after the completion of the project, whatever amount of money we will get, that will not be the same worth of money as we need to invest in the beginning. So we need to see how much and in what way the money after future period of time will be deflated. So for this, we need to calculate the inflows of money in each and every year with deflated value. That altogether inflows amount in terms of deflated value, if it will be after the project is completed, will be in excess of the amount we pay in the beginning. That will be our net present value. If it is excess, then the project is remarkable or desirable. If the value after the project is completed or after 7 years or 8 years a period of time, if it is less than the initial investment amount, then we should not proceed to the project. Now here in this case, internal rate of return is the percentage of return or the extent of money by which, if it is deflated or if it is discounted after the project is completed or after the project period, whether it will match as an equivalent amount with the initial investment money. Suppose today we need to invest 50,000 amount. Now in the year one, suppose we get inflows of rupees 10,000. Now if the interest factor is 10%, means the extent of money by which it will be deflated in the first year, because in the first year we will get, if we deflate these things, suppose in school standard we used to do these things. Suppose future value is equal to present value within bracket 1 plus r by 100 into to the power n. Now n is the number of years or the period for which the money will be held up. So the interest or the present value will be calculated like this. Suppose this is the future value, it will be present value 1 plus r by 100 by n. That means if future value is 10,000, means the money will get after 1 year, and the present value if we need to get, means the present worth of rupees 10,000, what will get after 1 year, it will be like 1 plus interest factor, that is the 10%. 10 by 100 is the n. Now here n is the 1 because this is for the first year. So what will you do here? Suppose PV is equal to 110 by 100 is 1 is 1. Now this is the 10,000 future value. Now it will be like P into 100 divided by 10, that is 1.10, 10,000. Now 10,000 by 1.10 is equal to, will be the present value. Now you will get this 10,000 divided by 1.10 is equal to, what is the factor? The factor is 9090 point. So this is the calculation of present value in terms of future value with discounted factor. Now what we have calculated here is here 0.090. In the same way, if you do it from 1 to 8 years, suppose our project is for a period of 8 years, so it is to be completed. Now we will notice that in the first year our the discounted value in terms of 10,000 is 9090. Now in the second year, in terms of the discounted value, it will be 8264. In the third year it will be 7513, it will be 6830, 6209. And in this way our total accumulated value after the period of 8 years, it will be 53,340. Now our initial investment, if it is 50,000, so initial investment, that means 53,340 will be larger than the initial investment 50,000. That means the excess of rupees 3340 will be at the discounting factor 10%. This is the excess value 3340. This is the excess value 3340. Now here, suppose we do it in terms of 11%. Now in the year, first we will get in the same way 9009, and till the 8th years we will get 51 or 452. Now we need to understand is that how much money we will get, or whatever be the percentage of interest, so that our present worth 50,000, and after the project is completed with discounted value, the extent of money what we will get after the project or after the period of 80 years will be equivalent to the present worth of rupees 50,000, what is the initial investment amount. That will be the minimum amount of money or the minimum percentage we need to get from the project, so that our project will not cost any hamper. So at the cost of our money, our project will not be undesirable. So in that case, what we'll do, by what percentage it is in excess of 50,000 we need to calculate. That is, initially we have done this, it is 53,340. Now here again we have done is 11%, 51,452. Now we should try 12%. So in this 12% we will get, because as much as we will increasing our percentage, our money will get devaluated more and more. So it will be like, in the end, after the period of 8 years, it will be like 49,659. So 659 is less than the initial investment is 50,000. Now the point is that how we will calculate the difference of 10% and 12%, because at 10% our surplus money over the initial investment 50,000 is 3340, and at 12% our amount of deficit of rupees 341 at the discounted factor 12%. Now here we will be doing these things in between 10 to 12%. We will get the discounted net present inflow, what will be equivalent to the initial investment in terms of present worth. So it will be 50,000. So the